Hi everyone, and welcome to Flower Power. In this session I'm going to show you 5 plants that are currently in flower at Chelsea Physic Garden, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the animals that pollinate these wonderful species. Welcome to Glasshouse 4. There are 3 awesome plants in bloom that I want to show you in here. The Tropaeolum tricolour produces beautiful flowers made up of 3 colours. Each flower has a long red spur and is about 3 centimetres long. In their natural environment, these flowers are pollinated by green-backed fire-crown hummingbirds. Many flowers pollinated by birds are red. It is thought that the colour red is easily seen by many pollinating birds, but isn't that visible to poorer insect pollinators. The second plant I want to show you is hiding down here underneath the table. The Clivia miniata flower is often pollinated by swallowtail butterflies which transfer pollen on their wings. On this flower we can clearly see the pollen-bearing anther and the pollen-collecting stigma. Strelitzia, sometimes called the bird of paradise plant, produces these magnificent and colourful flowers. These flowers are pollinated by some birds. They perch on the spathe when they visit the flower. We're now going to move to the tropical corridor. It's important we keep the doors closed because the plants in here prefer a hot and humid environment. The Spathiphyllum wallisi, often called the peace lily, has unusual whitish flowers. These flowers produce a fragrance that attracts euglossine and trigona bees. When we think of bee pollinators, we often think of the bumblebee. However, there are over 16,000 different bee species, and many of them are important for pollination. As we move down the tropical corridor, passing the vanilla orchid and pepper plant on the left, we come across another unusual plant. The Piper auratum produces spikes made up of hundreds of tiny flowers that are hard to see. Insects, such as beetles and flies, help pollinate the plant when they walk over the spike's surface.